All right, today we're gonna do a video of a Harig 1224 Easy Surf 2. It's serial number 110-24. It has a Bridgeport BPC-G control. The spindle is running right now. Very quiet. We're gonna start, we'll jog the axes around. That's your Y-axis. Y-axis is nice and smooth, quiet. We'll jog the Z in and out. Both axes have electronic hand wheels as well. I'll show you those. This is just a rapid movement of the table. And you got this, the hand wheels, right in and out. And you also have up and down on the spindle. Has a walker chuck with a variable magnet control. I'll show you here. It's on, you turn it up. It does work. Release it. I can show you the table. You have, again, this is done through a servo valve, so you can go as fast or as slow as you want with the hand wheel manually. Or you can set your stops. And have it run through the control. Like that. The machine's also equipped with a 3-point dresser. It has a coolant system. It's presently wired for 220 volts, 3-phase. I think that's about it. Thanks for watching the video.